Hi everyone, this is Martin and I'm with the ABC Free Signals and we're going to do a review of last week's trading signals from February the 7th to the 11th. So, pow guys, pow, pow, pow. And guess what? We had another winning week. Okay, if you're trading alongside with me, you just witnessed another triple pow winning week. Yes, it seems like I'm repeating my broadcast from last week where we had 3 winners and no losing trades. However, I'm a bit surprised by how quiet you guys are. Where's the love, the feedback, and the joy in our trading community? Guys, I need to hear from you. I've been offering my free signals with the same awesome results for almost 1.5 years now. At least after watching this video, can you click on the like button below the video? In a moment, I'll show you the results of this past week's trade signals. And as I said before, watch the video, learn what you can from the video, then take all my trades and trade alongside with me while making pips and money. Okay, this is me right here. My name is Martin, and I'm a proud Canadian trader. Take a look at the red maple leaf here, guys. And I've been trading for quite some time now, very successful in offering you these free trade signals. If you want to receive my signals, guys, there's nothing to pay. There's no credit card. I'm not going to ask you to fill out any forms or anything like that. All you have to do is ask for the free trade signals, and I'm sure you will after you watch this video. You send your email to mine right here. You can see at the bottom, mskyj007@gmail.com, guys, and I'll have more information on this later on. Now, before I show you the charts, the actual trade signals, the profit levels, the entry and the stop loss, I want you to have a quick look at my humble disclaimer, guys. You can pause the video if you want to read more, but basically I'm saying my free signal service is an educational program only. I'm trying to teach you how to trade correctly and not give you any specific investment advice. And always, guys, trade with money you can lose if you are a beginner. Most of us are trading with real live money now. We're doing really well, and always watch your risk. Okay, so that is my disclaimer. Let's take a look at last week's results, guys. And I'm going to change this because I see that this has not changed. So you can see this is live. We're going to go to February the 7th to the 11th. Okay. And that's the week in review. Okay. This recent week on February 7th, I sent out an email to you, and that's how I send out my free signals, guys. So when you're on my list, members list, you'll get an email almost every evening, usually Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, sometimes Thursday evening. I'm trading in the basically the New York time zone, guys, and we're trading on daily candles. So each daily candle closes at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? And sometime between 6 and 7:30, I send you out the free signal. So the very first one last week I sent out on February 7th was a winner. I took myself a buy Canadian dollar or CAD Japanese yen trade. It ended up being a really good winner for 70 pips. Okay, it did hit our second take profit, actually went way beyond that and then came back, but it did hit our second take profit level. And the currency pair, the CAD Japanese yen, the CAD gained in value of the Japanese yen 0.77%. Okay, so really good win there. We started off the week in a fantastic way. Very happy about that. Now the next day, February the 8th, I sent out another signal by the by the British pound Japanese yen. This was a huge winner for 120 pips, guys. It also hit our second take profit level, and again, this currency pair appreciated in value by 0.77%. And then finally on the Wednesday, our last trading day of the week, February the 9th, I sent out another signal buy the USD against the Japanese yen, another winner, 63 pips. It also hit our second take profit level. The US Japanese yen doesn't move as much as the others here, but so it still hit our second take profit level, guys, and this currency pair gained 0.48%. Okay, so combining all of these, the total percentage last week right here, 2.02% on the currencies, on the appreciation of the currencies. Okay, and so that really added to our winning strategy here. We won a total of 253 pips, guys. And beginning of October, the 2021st, I started giving you some further statistics. So from the beginning of October, and I'm just talking about the past 8 weeks here, guys, we have made or gained 2,076 pips, so over 2,000 pips, guys, and percentage gain based on the currency appreciation here, plus 10.57%. Okay, really great. That's only in the last 8 weeks. Okay, and we're averaging, take a look, okay, 259 pips per week. That is pretty darn good. And remember, we're trading on the daily charts. We're not scalping. We're not intraday. We're not trading on the 1 minute, 5 minute charts or anything like that. We're not doing anything silly or crazy. We're taking our time. We place a trade when I send out the signal, and I take generally every single trade signal I send out, I take myself. And guys, I'm trading alongside with you as you are with me. And these are the results. Okay, so a little bit later in the video, I'm going to actually show you the results over the past 10, 12 days or so. Okay, I'll show you some statistics on that. And so this was the review, guys. Fantastic. Let's go to the charts. And before we do, also one more thing. Notice that we're trading against the Japanese yen all week. Okay, so the JPY was the big loser. It was very weak against the other major currencies. Okay, so that is that. And let's take a look at the very first chart, the buy Canadian or the CAD versus the Japanese yen. Okay, let me take off all of this. And I want you to take a look at this little sub window here on the left, guys. Okay, can you see it right here in the window? This is the entry, okay, because I want to be transparent with you. When I sent out my signal, I also send out, I don't know if you know this, or for some of the new subscribers, I also send out a graphic or a picture of the entry that gives you here the entry, the first take profit, second take profit, and the stop loss, which is critical to our strategy. Okay, so this is the entry window that I send out to everyone. When you're on my list, this is what you receive. And you can see we entered right here, price right here on this day, or the close of this candle, or the open of this one, guys. And you can see right here afterwards, price really from here went up, and you can see it hit our first take profit with this candle. It hit our second take profit also with this candle. So guys, this was a huge winner, guys, and congrats to all of you who took the trade. Okay, I'm not, when I review the trades here, I don't really talk about the entry strategies or why we got in a trade. If you want to learn all that, have a great, terrific education and get the free trade signals, then you have to subscribe to my VIP program. It's a very low cost, guys, one-time fee. And if you want more information, just send me an email. Okay, now, even though we got in right there, okay, so here's our entry, 90.83, guys, right there. Okay, on February the 8th, the next day, guys, I always give you an update every single day following a trade signal. So here I said on February the 8th, move your stop up higher to 90.32, okay, and then also move your first take profit to 91.26. So we moved our take profit up just a little bit higher. But with this candle right there, I believe we hit our first and second take profit. So again, congrats guys on taking this trade. Let's move on to the next one, okay? And we're gonna go to the buy. British pound, Japanese yen. Now, this was a really, really, really big winner, guys. Again, you can see our window, okay, right here. And I want you to take a look. We actually got in as the candle, as the candle was rising already or going up. I sent out the signal. So the signal was for the entry was actually 156.42. You can see that right there, right? Okay, just a second here. Let me use the arrow. So we got in at the close of this candle or the open of the next one. We actually got in there. And guys, you can see right here in the sub window, the entry window, the candle was already moving higher. So most of us got in above the 156.42 level. Okay, it didn't matter because the next day it shot up to the moon. You can see with this white candle right there. And guys, not only this candle, not only did it hit our first take profit target, it also hit our second take profit, went beyond that, and then came back down. Okay, so most of us are trading with with a robot that when we enter the trade, we're entering with two positions, but once it hits the first take profit target, our stop loss is actually automatically moved higher. And I did mention that move your first take profit. Move your stop up to the 155.61 level. So here, that's what we're talking about. I always, in my updates, give you the information about moving your stop higher. And we do that normally when price is already going higher. When price is going higher, I normally like to wait till the candle closes. But so here, after we got in, you can see in this next day, price actually dropped lower. Okay, so I want you to understand that. We did get in here, but this candle closed lower than our entry, okay? And I did say for you to have some patience, but even though it dropped a little bit lower, I did ask you to raise your stop loss from here in the pink to here 155.61. The next day it went up really high and away she went, and we made some really good money. So again, congrats for all of you having the patience to hold on to the trade right here when the next day price went down. Hopefully you guys have the patience to hold on, and you can see the next day ended up being a big winner. So again, fantastic. And let's go on to the next and final trade of the week, guys. Okay, here I sent out a signal, the buy USD Japanese yen, guys, and take a look here. We got in, you see right here at the, okay, here's our entry, 115.54. Here's our stop loss, 114.76. There's our first take profit target, second take profit target, okay? And I send this out right here. You can see the sub window. This is the entry window that I send out with each trade signal, guys. All of you get this, okay? And you can see that on, again, the next day, price had already started to move higher. You can see that, okay? And that's the interesting thing, that when I sent out a signal, price had already started to move up. And finally, as you can see here, it ended up going from here all the way up to here. But we did hit our second take profit target of 116.10. Okay, right there. And so, guys, that is fantastic. And after Thursday, now I'm hoping all of you closed the trade, okay? And even if you didn't, price hitting the second take profit target. One of the rules is that we move our stop loss, okay? Take a look. We move our stop loss right above, not break even where you got in, but right above, maybe 10 pips above the first take profit target. So when price hits the second take profit target, we move our stop all the way up. So you would have been stopped out here. But hopefully you guys are watching your charts a little bit. Most of our trading is stress-free. You only have to look at your charts a couple of times a day. It is stress-free trading. But when you're in big profit like that, guys, it's always a good idea to close your trade. And we don't want to keep trades open till Friday or even over the weekend. Okay, so those were the 3 fantastic trades. Again, congrats to all of you who took the trade alongside with me. And I do want to show you something right now. I want you to take a look here, guys. This is my personal trading. I have 3 different accounts, okay, 3 live accounts with 3 different brokers, as a matter of fact. But personal trading from January 20th to February 8th. You can take a look. What you see here in green is because I'm using the EA or the robot, okay? And that's my risk management robot, and takes care of all the trades for me. I don't normally have to watch it. You can see the profits over here, guys, okay? And you can see pretty well over here, I've taken pretty well all the trade signals I send out to you. So if I'm taking the signals, and often I take the signal a few minutes after I send out the trade signal. So I'm actually opening up my trade after I send out the signal. I want you guys to get it first before me. There's no reason in the world why you should not have some sort of trading success, guys. I've had a lot of winners in a row. I haven't really looked at it, but I think I've had now 10 winners in a row, maybe, and I think the 1 losing trade or something like that. So you guys have to be making some money, and if you're not, then there's something wrong, and I want you to contact me. I want you to give me some feedback. Let me know what's going on, okay? Now, a lot of you say you don't have a lot of money to trade with, or you've opened up accounts with small, with low amounts of money. Guys, you don't have to have a lot of money. And just to show you that, take a look over here. I'm not trading with huge lot sizes, guys. They're manageable, all according to my risk management program. Usually 2 or 3 mini lots, guys, and you can see the results right here. I believe it's about $3,800, and this is only from January 20th to February the 8th. Okay, so no excuses, guys. What you have to do if you want to learn and earn money alongside with me, you've got to take all my trades. Don't analyze my trades. Don't pick and choose. Take all my trades, guys. And if some trades lose, well, so be it. They lose, right? We have a risk management process in place. And when they win, you're going to win. So that's the idea. Take all my trades. Okay, so we're pretty well finished, guys. There's one more thing I want to share with you, and I want you to ask yourself, and please don't be offended, but the truth about trading, this is my truth about trading. There are people, okay? There are people who make money trading Forex. There are people who dream about making money in Forex. There are people who just dream. There are people. Ask yourself who you really are. Does any of this make sense to you? Okay, I'm not going to explain it any further, but hopefully some of you it's going to resonate with, and you're going to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's move on. That is my little message for today. And again, guys, if you want to receive my free trade signals, all you have to do, send me your email address. There's no obligation. It's totally free, guys. And you send your email to mskyj007 at gmail.com. Again, mskyj007 at gmail.com. In your email, tell me who you are. Give me your first name. Tell me what country you're from, especially if you are a new subscriber, guys. And there's nothing to pay. Okay, it's totally free. Been doing this for almost 1.5 years, guys. I want to say goodbye now. Cheers from Canada. This is me again. I'll talk to you again in the next video. And please click on the like button. See the like button here below the video? Click on that. It tells me that I'm doing a good job, that you guys are listening, that you really appreciate that. And I thank you kindly for that. So take care. See you again. Bye for now.